If you're someone who constantly leads a busy lifestyle but can't seemingly compromise with those stale and tasteless foods taken from the fridge, chances are the best freezer container is the adjustment that you need to get right back on track. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 freezer containers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Winspections Glass Baby Food Freezer Containers. It's undoubted that your little ones constantly need nutrients from fresh foods like peas, fruits, and carrots to grow up properly. With this set of 12 tiny-sized glass containers, your parenting journey will be easier than ever since they hold the perfect amount of food to make a single-serving meal for your kids at once. These robust jars are made of food-grade glass, so you can rest assured that no toxic chemicals can get into your child's system. Besides, the lids come in multiple bright colors, which you have the freedom to write on and keep track of the contents inside, such as dates or ingredients labels. Finally, the little pieces aren't only lightweight but also easily stackable to maximize your kitchen's space. Besides, these jars can be used for a variety of purposes like storing spices, meal prepping, and stashing the excessive leftovers to take out for serving whenever you want. Key features: constructed of premium and scratch-resistant glass, 12 counts of 4-ounce containers, the lids are multicolored and easily labeled, clear measurement markings for portion control, includes a dry easer marker. Number 2. BAKO 8-pack glass meal prep freezer containers. Meal prepping is a beneficial strategy for a hectic schedule in healthy dishes, like those recipes for WHOLE30 meal prep. It is also quite simple to implement, as long as you have some high-quality food storage at your disposal. And these glass containers from BAKO are perfectly airtight, durable, and super versatile to get you instant meals anytime in your weekly grind. Featuring 8 glass containers, each with a 30-ounce capacity, this set can be used to store any kind of food, from dry rice to liquids like juices or soup. Since they withstand temperatures up to 752 F, they can go from the fridge to the oven, saving you some time drying up another dish. Additionally, the lids are specifically designed to prevent spillage and leakage, thereby keeping your pantry always clean. Though the entire set is dishwasher safe, it's recommended that you hand wash the lids to maintain the silicone sealing strip states for long-term use. Key features: consists of 8 30-ounce food storages. The containers are oven-safe up to 752 F, BPA-free plastic locking lids, spill-proof and leak-proof. Number 3. Comfy Package Deli Food Storage Freezer Containers. Are you a busy person who prefers compact and efficient food storage to bring your go-to lunches to work? If yes, these plastic deli containers might just be the best selection to fulfill all your needs. They're especially lightweight, durable, and easy to carry around in places with ease. The 24 pieces are produced out of BPA-free plastic and are safe to use in the dishwasher or microwave, making them ideal utensils for home cooks who love a simple cooking routine. Also, the airtight overlapping lids can lock in the full flavor and freshness of your meals properly. The transparent design lets you tell exactly the contents inside of each container without opening them up. On the downside, these plastic storages are crafted to be disposable. With a tendency to break down, crack, or get stained over time, they're the better choice for short-term purposes. Key features: crafted of premium, BPA-free plastic, airtight overlapping lids, safe for use in the dishwasher and microwave. The package includes 24 pieces, designed to be disposable. Number 4. Glotage 8-ounce meal prep freezer containers. Whether you're taking the time to make a batch of delicious Cuisinart ice cream, airtight freezer-safe containers are exactly what you need. With these Glotage 8-ounce freezer containers in hand, you can rest assured that your icy treats are kept fresh and tasty. Each container has a volume of 8 ounces to hold a perfect single-serving portion. They're made out of BPA-free plastic that can be reused for any make-ahead meal plan. Also, the lids are entirely leak-proof, whereby protects your ice cream from crystallization and freezer burns. In addition, these utensils are easily stackable, so you can have a better organization of your storage space. They're durable and super flexible for ease of use. However, you should keep in mind that the optimal leak-proof design may make it hard to open the tightly sealed lids. Apart from this pack of 8-ounce containers, you also have the flexibility to choose among other size variations, such as the Glotage Deli Soup 16-ounce freezer container or the Glotage 32-ounce plastic freezer containers depending on your family's needs. Key features: arrives in a pack of 24 counts, snap-lock watertight and leak-proof lids, crafted from high-grade plastic for flexibility, holds a maximum of 8 ounces at a time, available in larger sizes, including 16, 25, and 32-ounce, number 5. Rubbermaid Easy Find Lids Freezer Containers, featuring 21 containers of a large size range with corresponding lids. This Rubbermaid set provides you with maximum flexibility to store all kinds of foods at once. Not only freezer-friendly, but these pieces are also suitable for microwaving and stashing ingredients in your pantry or cabinet. You can conveniently pop some berries or chopped veggies into the tiny sized containers, stash tasty leftover meatloaves or bread in the 7-cup units, then refrigerate them. The rubberized seals keep all the air out, which saves the food's flavor at their best qualities. Want to know the best part? The matching lids are available in a striking red color, making them super easy to keep track of. These utilitarian pieces allow you to meal prep in advance and gift foods to your friends or coworkers, whether it be a popular pie, granola, or some cookies. Key features: convenient and easy find interlocking lids, sturdy and high-quality containers, diverse sizes to accommodate all kinds of foods, all units are dishwasher safe, the bases are microwavable for reheat and eat meals. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.